Life Insurance Company. We have Mr. Anuj Mathur, the MD and CEO of the company, joining us, and let's talk about the new issue. Mr. Mathur, hi, good afternoon. It's a 2,517.5 crore issue, but full OFS entirely. For the benefit of our viewers, if you can tell us who is selling their stake and why is there no fresh issue component in your IPO?
This is offer for sale by the existing shareholders. So Canara Bank currently is holding 51%. They are diluting 14.5%. With that, their shareholding will be 36.5%. Punjab National Bank will be diluting 10%. So from 23%, they'll go down to 13%. And HSBC Insurance will be diluting 0.5%. So from current 26, they will go down to 25.5%.
Understood. So that's as far as the OFS is concerned. But Mr. Mathur, if you can also tell us, it's a full fresh issue. What changes for you post the listing?
Post listing, obviously our share price will be there in the market. In terms of business, we will continue to deliver consistent performance, which we have delivered in the past. And we are a profitable company doing really well for last 18 years. We started our business in June of 2008. So we are consistently making profits for last 13 years. We are paying dividends for last 4 years. So that way our consistent track record of profitability is going to continue.
Okay, Mr. Mathur, that sounds good, but help us understand what kind of traction you are seeing as a result of the rate cuts that we've seen coming in from the central bank. Are you seeing any uptick in demand?
Yeah, it's a very important question and I'm glad that you asked. So actually, this is a big benefit which has been given to the life insurance industry, where the GST has been completely exempted. It's a big advantage for the customer, and our products will be cheaper for the customers. They're already cheaper from 22nd of September. So we expect demand from customers to go up significantly. This is a big advantage which is now there for the customer. And you see, customers are very keen now to buy life insurance. I think the awareness of life insurance has gone up tremendously in the last 4-5 years post-COVID. And now with the rate cut happening, the GST rate cut, I think it will only help customers, more and more customers, to buy insurance, to be fully secured. So I think the demand will go up and that will help the industry to grow. And also the company, for us, it's a very big opportunity to grow this segment.
Okay, so the GST rate cut is clearly benefiting the industry. But also wanted your thoughts on the growth that you've been reporting for the last decade. You've reported solid growth over the last 15 to 18 years. What's your outlook? Is this sustainable going forward as well?
So you see, in the last 3 years, if you see our WPI growth, which is the weighted premium income, for the last 3 financial years, our growth has been around 17%. And in terms of growth versus industry, we have outperformed the industry consistently. So this growth is something which is consistent, has been there in the past. And now with all the benefits which are there, the GST exemption, it should be there in future as well.
Okay, and Mr. Mathur, since you said you're looking to diversify across verticals, can you help us understand some of your expansion plans?
Yes, very much. In fact, as I mentioned initially also, that our growth trajectory has been much above the industry, and that will continue. And if you see, we have a huge opportunity in terms of the branch network which we have. Our model, which is bank insurance model, is a highly successful model if you see last 15-20 years. And we have a lot of opportunities with our shareholder banks. If you see, Canara Bank has got 9,800 branches. And with combined kind of branch network which we have across banks, we have access to 15,700 branches. And if I talk about the customer base, we have access to captive customer base of 120 million, to be precise 117 million. So it's a big opportunity in front of us where we would like to insure all these customers and we want them to be our customers. So we are very, very optimistic in terms of the opportunity which is available for us.
Okay, Mr. Mathur, thanks for your time today and thanks for speaking with us. But on that note, viewers, we're completely timed out on this edition of Markets at Noon. Thanks so much for watching. Commodities and